Linux has always carried a certain mystique. When people hear the word hacker, images of dark rooms, glowing terminals, fast-scrolling green text, and hooded figures often come to mind, and almost every time, the operating system behind that screen is Linux. This is not a coincidence, and it's not just a stereotype created by movies or TV shows. Hackers genuinely love Linux, and that love comes from decades of evolution, philosophy, technical power, and freedom that no other operating system quite matches. To understand why hackers are drawn to Linux, you first need to understand what hacking really means. Hacking at its core is not just about breaking into systems or exploiting vulnerabilities. It is about curiosity, control, understanding how systems work, and pushing technology beyond its intended limits. Linux was built on those exact same principles, which is why the relationship between hackers and Linux feels so natural. Linux was born from the idea of openness. From the very beginning, its source code was freely available for anyone to read, modify, and redistribute. For hackers, this openness is irresistible. When you can see how every component of an operating system works, nothing is hidden from you. You are not locked behind proprietary walls or forced to trust black box systems. Instead, you are invited to explore. Hackers thrive on understanding systems at a deep level, and Linux gives them the ability to study the kernel, the networking stack, the file system, and the process management in ways that closed-source systems simply do not allow. This transparency turns Linux into a massive learning playground where every line of code can teach you something new. Another major reason hackers love Linux is control. On most mainstream operating systems, users are guided into a very specific way of doing things. The system decides how updates work, what you can and cannot modify, and sometimes even what software you are allowed to run. Linux flips this model upside down. On Linux, the user is in charge. Hackers value this level of control because it allows them to customize the system to their exact needs. You can strip Linux down to the bare minimum or build it up into a highly specialized environment tailored for security research, penetration, testing, reverse engineering, or development. Nothing is forced and nothing is hidden. Every process, service, and configuration file is accessible, editable, and understandable. The terminal is another core reason Linux feels like home to hackers. While graphical interfaces are convenient, hackers often prefer the efficiency and power of the command line. Linux terminals are not just tools. They are extensions of the hacker's mind. With a few keystrokes, you can automate tasks, manipulate files, monitor networks, manage processes, and chain complex commands together in ways that graphical interfaces cannot match. The shell becomes a language of its own, allowing hackers to express ideas directly to the machine. This deep interaction with the system creates a sense of mastery that is difficult to achieve on operating systems where the terminal is treated as an afterthought. Linux also excels in networking, which is a critical aspect of hacking. Much of modern hacking revolves around understanding how systems communicate with each other. Linux was built with networking at its core, and it shows. Its networking tools are powerful, flexible, and deeply integrated into the system. Hackers can inspect traffic, configure firewalls, create virtual networks, simulate environments, and analyze connections with incredible precision because Linux is widely used on servers, routers, and cloud infrastructure. Learning Linux networking is directly applicable to real-world systems. Hackers know that if they understand Linux networking deeply, they are better prepared to understand and secure or test almost any modern network. Security itself is another paradoxical reason hackers love Linux. On the surface, it might seem strange that people interested in exploiting systems would prefer an operating system known for its strong security model. But this is exactly why Linux is so attractive. Linux enforces clear permission structures, user roles, and isolation mechanisms. Hackers who want to test security need a system that behaves predictably and follows well-defined rules. Linux provides this clarity. When a vulnerability exists, it can be studied, understood, and addressed at its root. This makes Linux an ideal platform, not just for attackers, but for defenders. The culture surrounding Linux also plays a huge role in its popularity among hackers. Linux is more than just software. It is a community. Forums, documentation, mailing lists, and open source projects create an environment where knowledge is shared freely. Hackers often learn by experimenting, breaking things, fixing them, and then sharing what they discovered. The Linux ecosystem encourages this behavior. When someone finds a bug or a clever workaround, it often becomes public knowledge, helping others learn and improve. This collaborative culture aligns perfectly with the hacker mindset, which values shared learning over secrecy for its own sake. Another powerful attraction is the sheer variety of Linux distributions. Unlike operating systems that come in one or two official versions, Linux exists in hundreds of forms. Each distribution is tailored for a specific purpose, whether that is desktop use, servers, embedded systems, or security testing. Hackers love this diversity because it allows them to choose or build an environment that matches their goals perfectly. Some distributions focus on minimalism, giving hackers a clean slate to work from. Others come preloaded with tools designed for analyses, testing, and research. This flexibility means Linux can grow with the hacker, from beginner experiments to advanced professional work. Performance is another critical factor. Linux is known for being lightweight and efficient. Hackers often run multiple virtual machines, containers, and tools simultaneously. They need an operating system that can handle heavy workloads without unnecessary overhead. Linux's efficiency allows hackers to get the most out of their hardware. Even on older or low-powered machines, Linux can perform tasks that would be painfully slow on more resource-hungry systems. This efficiency is not just about speed. It's about responsiveness and predictability, which are essential when working with complex systems. Linux also dominates the server world, and hackers are very aware of this fact. A large percentage of the internet runs on Linux servers. Cloud platforms, web servers, databases, and enterprise systems often rely on Linux under the hood. Hackers know that by mastering Linux, they are learning the same environment that powers much of the digital world. This relevance makes Linux an obvious choice for anyone serious about understanding how modern infrastructure works. Whether the goal is testing security, developing software, or analyzing systems, Linux knowledge translates directly into real-world skills. Automation is another area where Linux shines. Hackers love automation because it allows them to scale their efforts and focus on creative rather than repetitive tasks. Linux offers powerful scripting languages and tools that make automation natural and intuitive. From simple shell scripts to complex orchestration systems, Linux allows hackers to turn ideas into repeatable processes. This ability to automate not only saves time but also reduces human error and opens the door to more ambitious projects. Privacy and anonymity also play a role in Linux's appeal. While Linux itself does not automatically make someone anonymous, it provides the tools and transparency needed to understand what the system is doing. Hackers appreciate being able to see and control network connections, background processes, and data flows. Unlike operating systems that may include hidden telemetry or closed-source components, Linux allows users to audit and modify their system to align with their privacy needs. This sense of trust is important to hackers, who are often skeptical of systems they cannot fully inspect. The philosophy behind Linux is perhaps the deepest reason hackers love it. Linux represents freedom in computing, freedom to learn, freedom to modify, freedom to share, and freedom to experiment. Hackers are at their core explorers. They push boundaries not because they want to cause harm, but because they want to understand what is possible. Linux supports this exploration by removing artificial limitations. If something can be done, Linux usually allows you to try. This alignment of values creates a strong emotional connection between hackers and the operating system. Over time, Linux becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a teacher. Hackers who spend years using Linux often develop an intuitive understanding of how computers work at a fundamental level. They learn how processes interact, how memory is managed, how files are stored, and how networks communicate. This deep understanding is empowering. It turns users from passive consumers of technology into active creators and analysts. Linux does not hide complexity. It exposes it, challenges users to engage with it, and rewards those who do. The myth of hackers using Linux because it looks cool or mysterious misses the real story. Hackers love Linux because it respects their intelligence. It assumes users want to understand and control their system, not just click buttons. It provides the tools, the freedom, and the community needed to explore technology deeply. Whether someone is an ethical hacker securing systems, a developer building applications, a researcher analyzing vulnerabilities, or simply a curious learner, Linux offers an environment where curiosity is not punished but encouraged. As technology continues to evolve, the bond between hackers and Linux shows no signs of weakening. New tools, new distributions, and new use cases continue to emerge, all built on the same open foundation. Linux adapts without losing its core identity. It remains flexible, transparent, and powerful qualities that hackers value above all else, in a world where many systems are becoming more locked down and restrictive. Linux stands as a reminder of what computing can be when users are trusted and empowered. In the end, hackers don't love Linux because it makes hacking easy. They love it because it makes understanding possible. Linux does not promise shortcuts or magic solutions. Instead, it offers a clear view of how systems work and the freedom to explore that knowledge. For hackers, that combination is irresistible. It turns the operating system into a canvas, a laboratory, and a companion on an endless journey of learning and discovery.